Festive fervour gripped devotees of Lord Krishna on the occasion of Janmashtami on Monday. The festival marks the birth of Lord Krishna and is celebrated with immense devotion and enthusiasm all across the world. Here's a report.
India comes alive with the spirit of devotion as millions across the country celebrate Janmashtami, the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. From grand temple ceremonies to lively street processions, the country is awash in the colors of faith and festivity. Janmashtami brings together communities in a vivid display of culture and spirituality. In cities like Mathura and Vrindavan, where Krishna is believed to have spent his childhood, the celebrations are particularly grand. Thousands of devotees throng the temples, participating in rituals at the break of dawn till midnight. The temples adorned with flowers, lights and intricate decorations echo with the chants of Hare Krishna and Govinda. The reenactment of Rasa Leela, Krishna's playful dance with gopis, and the playful breaking of the Dahi Handi or pot of curd are the highlights of the celebrations of Janmashtami. In Maharashtra, Dahi Handi has evolved into a massive public spectacle with teams of Govindas forming human pyramids to break the pot hung high above the ground. The event draws large crowds and the competition is fierce with prizes worth millions. Children dress up as little Krishnas, adding a touch of innocence and joy to the festivities. In temples, elaborate tablets depicting scenes from Krishna's life are set up, attracting visitors from the community. The celebrations continue well into the night, with the moment of Krishna's birth marked at midnight being the most anticipated event. Devotees gather for special prayers and the temples reverberate with the sounds of conch shells and bells, symbolizing the divine moment when Krishna appeared on earth. Janmashtami is not just a religious observance, it is a celebration of the values and teachings that Krishna imparted through his life. As India celebrates this festival, it serves as a reminder of the timeless message of love, compassion and righteousness that continues to resonate with millions. Kriti Vadhera's report for DD India.
And now Kriti Vadhera joins us live from Birla Mandir in New Delhi. Kriti, Janmashtami has a special significance for Indians and particularly for devotees of Lord Krishna in India and around the world. And Birla Temple, where you are, organizes festivities every year on this day. So how is the mood at the temple today?
Good evening, Munmun, and Hare Krishna to the viewers across the world who are watching this show. And let me tell you, the streets of New Delhi are buzzing with energy. So much vibrant it is, and here at Birla Mandir, which is one of the most famous and biggest temple of Delhi, thousands and thousands of devotees have been coming here since evening. And I've just seen a family, 3 generations together I witnessed here. I would request my camera person to please focus here, the devotees who have been going inside the temple and doing darshan. How was the feel of going inside, and how was this darshan you just did?
Hare Krishna everyone. The feeling is brilliant and vibe is excellent. Atmosphere is amazing. It's good to be here, and one must, if you are in Delhi, you must visit Lakshmi Narayan temple.
So that's how the energy and the vibe of this festivity and celebration is there at Birla Mandir. आपको कैसा लगा अंदर जाकर? आपने क्या लेकर जा रहे हैं आज आप घर में से?
भगवान की बहुत सारा प्यार लेके जा रहे हैं, भगवान की एक सुंदर सी छवि अपने अंदर लेके जा रहे हैं, और जितनी सुंदर यहाँ पे एक वाइब है जो आपको आके बस यहीं आके मिलती है। दिल्ली वाले होने का एक सौभाग्य है बिरला मंदिर आना।
So this is how Delhiites, celebrate of visiting this temple here in New Delhi. It's such a beautiful temple, and today celebrations at massive scales can be seen here, and I'm accompanied by youngsters here who are school students. So it is very important on such celebrations to have their point of view. आपको कैसा लगा आज इतना सेलिब्रेशन जन्माष्टमी को, और आप कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं?
ये जो जन्माष्टमी होती है, लाइक ये एक अलग ही फीलिंग होती है, एंड यंगस्टर्स के लिए ये फीलिंग एक ऐसी होती है, लाइक कान्हा जी को सजाना ये एक अलग फीलिंग होती है जो घर पे मम्मियों के साथ हम सजाते हैं। और यहाँ पे आके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, लाइक ऐसे कनेक्शन वाइब मैच हुई है तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा। और काफ़ी लाइक डिजिटल वर्ल्ड से भी हमने इसको कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करी है, लाइक भगवान के साथ हमने लेकिन मेरे को आज जन्माष्टमी में आके बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैंने साथ में देखा कि कैसे पूजा पाठ सब कुछ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Wonderful. So this is how, see, youngsters also of this digital era are participating in the celebrations across India in Janmashtami.
Right, Priti. Thank you so much for bringing us the mood from Birla Temple. Every year we see festivities and rituals being carried out there, and once again people from all sections of society, the elderly and youth, were present there participating in the festivities. Thank you so much for joining us from New Delhi.